My first car was a 1979 Toyota four-wheel drive pickup with a Buick 3.8 liter V6 in it. It was amazing, and it was always breaking down. It got like 8 miles to the gallon, and I needed to keep gas cans inside it to go anywhere. My mom called it the driveway queen because it was always broken down in the driveway. My name's Trent Miller. I live in Long Beach, and I am a quality engineer for a company that makes big data centers. Yeah, this is my 2005 Toyota Tacoma. It's a TRD version with four-wheel drive. It's got a 4-liter V6, slightly lifted, and has put new 33-inch tires on it. I've always been a Toyota guy. I've always knew how they build things, how the longevity of them, how to work on them. Just had really good luck with Toyotas. The other thing I like doing is making my own stuff. So I nail my own bumper, my lights, my sliders. I've got skid plates underneath it to protect it from all the rocks I tend to go over. And I'll be putting on a different back bumper today. The most interesting thing is obviously the front bumper. I've integrated a 9,000 pound, 9,500 pound winch behind that. Try to keep everything back inside as low as possible so you're not tending to flip the vehicle over, having all your weight up high. And I didn't want things sticking way out to clobber vehicles when you park them in the Home Depot parking lot. So obviously, I like the way it came out. It's pretty cool. It's got some potential. See how it handles dirt and grime and all the stuff that comes out of the back of a truck. It's a tool. It's a tool. The tool has to keep working. But yeah, I like it.